for this?
Alright, cut the music. What is this, the NBA? Don't you hate it when the quality of service is so low that you leave dissatisfied? Do you wish you could find a place where service is available 24/7? Other than offering the lowest rates for the sale of bonds, we have also invested in a 24/7 call center so that no one has to get an answering machine. And we also have fast, yet effective, online application processing. So next time you rate a company with the T for technical foul, check out Your Car Dealer Bond, where you will be getting nothing but net. The website is www.cardealerbondnow.com. Call today, 866-357-4405, before the buzzer goes off.